All right, guys, so this is the help video if you're feeling kind of stuck. And the first thing I want you to know is that each team, their handout looks a little bit different. I chose the blue team, but these same strategies will work no matter which team you're on, okay? So let's think about this for just a second. So we figured out that the problem was that Professor Willow knows how to make this molecule right here. This is the cure. But what he doesn't know is the chemistry behind how you can get different molecules to react to form a product. And so the Pokemon are sick. He knows the cure. And our goal is to figure out which of the reactants will work together or go through a reaction to form this product. Okay, so there's several different strategies here that you have to use. The first of which is probably to start by counting up the numbers and types of atoms in this product, right? So the cure is the product in this chemical reaction. So I might make a list or a chart or some way of counting up the number and types of atoms in the product. So I would start by saying, like, there's 2 T's, there's 1 HE, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ATs, there's 1, 2, 3 S's, and so on until you get to figure out how many of each number and type of atom are in the product. Now remember, not everyone's product looks the same. Yours might look a little bit different, but that's okay. The same strategy still works. So the first thing that I would do is count up the number and type of products in this or atoms in this product, the number and types of atoms in this product. Now, the second thing you need to do is start thinking, well, what do I need to figure out? Well, you need to figure out which reactants are going to go through a chemical reaction and end up with this product. Now, we have a long list of these, remembering that this might not look like yours, but we have a long list of molecules here, and some of them work and some of them don't. So in other words, 2 or more of these reactant molecules will react together and form this product. So here's one strategy that I think will be really helpful. You could start by figuring out what doesn't work. So for example, I know that in my product, I have 1, 2, 3 S atoms. And so if I scroll down here and I'm looking for one that has 3 S atoms, this one might work. It has 3 S atoms. This one has 1 S atom. It might work with another one that has more than 1 S atom. Keep scrolling down and looking and start thinking that way, okay? And here's another thing that might work. Well, let's see. Let's find one we only have 1 O. Okay, so we only have 1 O, right? So we can go down here to our reactants. We can see if there's any that have more than 1 O, and we'll know that they don't work. Look at this. This one says HEO3, Blastoise's hydropump, and it has 3 atoms of oxygen. So according to the law of conservation of matter, matter can't be created or destroyed, and the number and type of atoms on both sides of the equation have to be the same. So if there's only 1 oxygen up here, or O, then there can't be 3 in the reactants. So I can cancel this one out. This one definitely doesn't work. And I can use that same strategy to keep figuring out which ones work or might work and which ones don't. And by the end of this, I should be able to figure out a few molecules that, when reacted together, will equal the same number and type of atoms that we find in the product. I hope that helped.